Glory, 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 glory. It's 31st of December, the very last day of the year. I want to thank all of you for being a part of my 2021. I want you to go in the comment section and let us know how Rhapsody clicks have been a blessing to you. Thank you so much. And while you're doing that, become a partner today by clicking on the link. Today, the very last day of 2021, Pastor says, our blessings unveiled in Christ Jesus. Blessings are not just a promise. It's not something that we promise, that we've been promised. It's not something that's been prophesied. But that which has been promised, that which has been prophesied about, has been unveiled in Christ Jesus. It's here for you to enjoy. Get to discover more in today's Rhapsody realities. And on this last day of the month, become a partner. And remember that the first night service with Pastor Chris holds today. See you there. God bless you.